private security guards are calling for greater protection at work, more training and psychological counseling in order to cope with the dangers of their work. This is according to the Kenya National Private Security Workers Union, which says the frequent attacks and killings of their members make the job of a security guard more dangerous. The union officials were speaking in Nairobi during a press conference.
The union had called for a strike whose notice elapsed on the 21st of June 2019 through intervention by the Ministry of Labour and Social Protection and the Ministry of Interior, which actually requested us to suspend the same strike and engage yourselves in a forum which later took place at Kenya School of Government, Kabete. We gave in and suspended the strike to give room for discussion or consultation. The government, through the Ministry of Interior and National Coordination, led by the Cabinet Secretary, Dr. Matiang'i, is indeed putting exemplary efforts in reform agenda to professionalize the private security industry.